Have you ever wanted to make Gorilla Tag videos? Like,
asking people to recreate Gorilla Tag sound effects. Hey, Purple.
and you go to make it, but you have no sound effects. Well, here's the solution. So, yeah. Here are the things that you can make your videos with these sound effects.
Oh my God! Get out! Element of surprise! Oh my God!
Hope you enjoy.